Hello. Today, I'm going to show you how to install your upTOP Overland truss system over a soft topper. Make sure you have all your equipment, bolts, and tools neatly ready for install. First, we are going to loosen the front and rear clamps for the soft topper. With bag 9003, start building the arm as demonstrated. Once everything is assembled, use a clamp to hold one side of the soft topper down while you release the other side and get measurements so you can put legs down evenly. Once measured, use bag .25 to secure the legs to the bed rails to the previously measured distance. Once everything is aligned, we will put the padding on the soft topper rails before securing it to the truck railings. With bag .2, secure the side fairings to the arms of the truck. You can adjust the length of the side fairings however you want, as long as you can see through holes of the fairing, as that'll show even spacing. Now using bag .20, you can adjust the upper arm to desired height, going over the soft topper.
Now locate hardware bag 9003. Install a crossbar end using the holes on the leg sides. We use the second hole from the end of the crossbar. You can set your crossbars wherever you'd like, depending on your setup. Then, install bolts and nuts on the other side of the legs. Now slide the center crossbar section into the outer crossbar. Then, slide the opposite end crossbar into the center crossbar section. Now you can set your crossbar wherever you'd like, whether you want the crossbar to be even or extended further on one side. Then, install the nuts to the back side of the crossbars. Now locate hardware bag 9010. Feel under the crossbars to see where the center section ends. Then install a bolt, washer, and nut to connect the crossbar end and center. Repeat with the inner crossbar end and center section. Then install the same hardware to the back side of the crossbars, making sure to catch the last sets of holes connecting the center section and the ends. Now you can fully fasten all of the hardware on the crossbar sections. Then, repeat these steps for the rest of the crossbar sections. Lastly, you can fully fasten the hardware on the legs to the crossbar ends.
Voila! You have completed your new upTOP Overland truss bed rack system over your soft topper.